Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday to everybody in this beautiful 17 Super Diesel. This beautiful gem was brought to me for a coolant leak, and I haven't really ever seen a coolant leak from this on a new truck. I wanted to show you on your 6.7 where this complaint of coolant was, and let's see if I can shed some light on here as I crawl on top of this engine. Yeah, check it out. I got coolant sitting. You see the remnants down there. Coolant sitting on top of the intake. Like I got, here's a coolant line. Here's a dry line. Okay. So one might ask yourself, where's that coolant coming from? I noticed there weren't any splashes or anything up on the hood that had coolant anywhere. So the next step you got to do to find your coolant leak is perform the cooling system pressure tests. And it goes like this. Alright, I've gone ahead and screwed my adapter onto the primary cooling system. We have our secondary cooling system jug and our primary system, our engine. And now we are going to install the pressure tester to the bottle. Okay, installed just like that. Reference the gauge. Reference the cap. It's supposed to be at 21 psi. So we are going to pump it up. I'm going to stop at 20. And we are going to inspect the cooling system. Alright, we're at 20. We're going to go ahead and inspect the cooling system over. I did, however, forget to mention that this is a 17 and it's got about 125 on the clock, which is nothing but driving. So we're gonna have to take that into consideration. Hey, it's being used. Built Ford tough. It's what it's designed to do is work. Work. So here we are on top of the engine. Gonna look in this cavity area. Where's our coolant coming from? Look at it just sitting in there. So I want to show you guys what I found, because I've already saw the leak. I just want to inform everyone so that in case you have a coolant leak, you can easily find it without having to put a pressure tester on it, because you'll know where to look. And we're going to talk about this little connection right here. You can almost see the orange crusties. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with one hand, but I'm sure going to try. I want to disturb this fitting for this connection. Look how loose that is. Look, it almost wants to slide right out. Look, I'm sliding it off right now. You can see the liquid coolant. It's actually starting to, look at the witness mark on his boot right there. See the stain right there? I got it to leak pretty good the other day. You can actually see the liquid on the connection right there. You can see the shiny. See that shiny? That's the liquid starting to run out. I wonder if I can could twist this one. Yeah, look how loose that is. So what's happening is under pressure, obviously. Hold on, let me get down before I fall. Okay, so what's happening is the fan, everything's being blown backwards, and then coupled with being under pressure, it's literally going right into the intake manifold. So I mean, it's really nothing that's, I mean, yeah, it's a failed part, but I mean, this engine has thermocycled so many times. I mean, like heating up and cooling down, heating up and cooling down, that's going to fatigue. Yeah, I mean, that's got a good amount of miles on it, but I mean, hoses and clamps don't last forever. So it's not really a hit on Ford or anything. It's just, I mean, the hose is wore out. It's heated up and cooled down a long freaking time. So let me show you the new hose. Okay, here's the new hose. Sitting in the vehicle, we're like this. This is going over to this is our radiator. This is going over to our degas bottle, and then this is going to be the intake manifold. So here's our connection, and they are tight. These clamps are tight. I cannot spin any hose on this little plastic T. Yeah, I think it's going to be way better than the one that's on there. Like I said, parts don't last forever. 125 on the clock. That's a lot. So, all right, everyone. So if anybody's got a coolant leak on their 17, 18, or 19 6.7 liter, hey, give this a little check. See if you can spin these hoses. If you can spin them, maybe try crimping them a little more so they don't spin. But these ones definitely are spinning, and they should not be. So tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next Friday.